Country:
Sri Lanka.
Continent:
Asia.
Population:
About 22 million.
Capital:
Colombo and Kot.
Currency:
Sri Lankan rupees.
Gross national income:
$318 billion.
Major religion:
Buddhism.
Official languages:
Sinhala. Tamil.
Minimum wage:
12,500 Sri Lankan rupees per month.
Dialing code:
+94.
President:
Ranil Wickremesinghe.
Prime Minister:
Dinesh Gunawardena.
Famous people:
Mahinda Rajapaksa. Jacqueline Fernandez. Mutia Muralitharan. Kumar Sangakkara. Yahani.
Richest person:
Damika Pereira.
National dish:
Rice and curry.
Popular places:
Temple of the Sacred Tooth Relic. Gale Dutch Fort. Gale Face Green. Udawala National Park Safari. Dambulla Royal Cave Temple and Golden Temple.
What country next?
Find more details about your country as well as other countries on our blog. Link in the bio.